Owengamele ezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal usenxuse abantu besifundazwe ukuba babeke imindeni elahlekelwe izihlobo zayo emkhulekweni.
We have declared this week as the week of mourning in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. We are mobilizing the chaplains in the province and all religious leaders from the department who are based in all municipalities to embark on a week of prayer. We must pray to God to give families strength.
uDuma uthi kunezinhlelo umnyango wezokuthutha onazo ukulekelela imindeni ekhahlamezekile.
Working with Department of Social Welfare, we have resolved to assign social workers to the affected families to provide on a continuous basis the psychosocial services during this period of grief. We further resolved to assign social workers to the bereaved families to provide psychosocial services during the funeral ceremonies.
Kusazokwenziwa uphenyo malungana nembangela yezingozi ezenzeke esifundazweni kulempelasonto.
The main focus is to determine whether there is negligence or to ascertain the root cause of the above accident, which is why we also agreed that let us embark on the issue of investigation, so we will do a thorough analysis.
Kusasa, uDuma uzoyobhonga emswaneni emndenini ethintekayo. Ezindabeni zethu, kumzansi wethu, Channel 163, nginguSlethiwe Ndlovu, ngibika ngiseThekwini, KwaZulu-Natal.